Oh, at the clearance store. Dreams coming true. It's snowing. It's freezing. Let's see what it can do. At the clearance store where all sales are final, let's see what we can find. Green glows, 90 bucks. Dark marina blues are still in here for 80. Some mauve mids, seafoam lows. Check these, 60 bucks. Some weird color. Green glows at 90. Right, lots of DNs, lots of these washed Jordan 1 mids. Those are Spizikes, check those. All right, those dunks, more of those dunks. Oh, there's these Jordan 1 lows, kind of nice, 80 bucks. Big bubble Air Maxes for 100. There's more of those purple. Uh-oh, just what I was looking for. A 10.5 in Rookie of the Years. I will take one of these. I got the best one. Yes! Oh, there's a few too. And this whole time, I think I'm gonna grab 2 of these. Bingo, bingo. All right, 2 Rookie of the Years. We'll take them, 70 bucks. Not bad. Oh, or wait, here's the Howards. I've been wanting these too, 10.5. I might have to look these up too. All right, let me look up a pair of these. Maybe I'll get one Rookie of the Year and one Howard. Yes, thank you. All right, I think I'm gonna put the Howard back because they're not as good, and I like the Rookie of the Years better. Lots of these washed mids, which even these came out like a couple of years ago. So Jordan 1 Comfort. These dunks are nice too, good leather. Oh, the Milk and Honey dunk lows. Look at that, it says Shoe Palace. That's wild. No price. Huh. There's another dunk low, Florida Gators style. Oh, Lucky Greens. More Lucky Greens. Oh, there's a Palomino, but it's a 10. Oh, here's some of those 5s. I have to look these up. 100 bucks, 10.5. Here's a 10.5 Palomino. Oh, I might have to do a Palomino. I have a lot of them left. Okay, I think I want the Palomino. Let me check these. God, in highs I really like an 11. Looks like somebody's tried it on, but that's no big deal. Man, the stores are jamming. Check this. Is this the high? No, this is a mid. This is that new mid, yeah. How much? 70 bucks. All right, I'm gonna put the Palomino here. Look how much great stuff. This is amazing. Let me look these 5s up real quick. Okay, I'm grabbing these. 100 bucks. I think I'm gonna put back a Rookie of the Year because there's not near margin on it. Palomino for 90 I think is good. That may not be. The 5s are definitely a grab. Palomino maybe, and maybe I put back one of these Rookie of the Years. Let me figure it. All right, no, I'm putting the Palomino back because 10.5s I can't do. Look, there's still a ton of Lucky Greens. Lots of different lows, non-OGs. Man, I cannot believe how hard the clearance store is coming. This is great. These are cool mids, but look how many of these Lucky Green highs, green glows. I mean, just tons. Those Marina blues. Those aren't the best colors, but all right, let's see if we can scout through any like SBs or anything. Oh, here's a cinema, 60 bucks. SBs. Let's see what else. More of those dark marinas. Tons of those. Lots of these orange dunks too, man. 60 bucks, that ain't bad. Oh, there's Cacao Wows at 90. You can get those full box at the outlet though for 90. Oh, not to say those are cool looking, but Nike might use. Metallic golds in here for 80. The other outlets got them full box. Let's see. Let's go see if somebody got those 1SBs. All right, over here, lots of different Air Maxes. More green glows, every size. Mauve 2s, 80 bucks. Some mids. Varsity red lows for 60. These are at the other outlet. Full box granite for 99 though. DNs. Oh, here's those one. Look, 60 bucks. Some super suede panda dunks. These are the ones with the panda bear or whatever. Yeah. I think I looked those up not long ago and they weren't that great. There's another pair of them right there. I mean, those are fuzzy suede, man. Kind of cool little hang tag thing. Oh, there's another pair of them. Another pair of them. And they got tons of them. Some metallics. That's not a good buy though. Those are super cheap if you want a pair of those. There's some mid tunks. All canvas. All canvas. Oh, see, I see the box, but it's just the two. There's some 14s. These, 8.5. Probably not. I may look these up. Dark Marina blues. I can't believe what I've gotten so far, man. That pair of 5s, the green, and those 2 Rookie of the Years. There's some yellow airships, which I know are not worth it. 70 bucks. There's another pair of them. All right, quite a few of these navy dunks too. 60 bucks, that's not bad. Saw a pair of Kobe Air Forces too. It's too crowded over there right now, but they're not a good size. Size 7. There's some canvas Jordan 1 lows. 60 bucks. More marinas, tons of those dark marina Jordan 1 highs. Gore-Tex, whatever. Haven't seen these dunks. Suede, 60 bucks. 60 bucks. Women's camo Jordan 3s, all canvas. These lows, GS, 60 bucks. I got this Year of the Snake Jordan 1 lows, 70 bucks. 7Y, same thing with those. Bunch more sparkly dunks. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Crazy. 80 bucks. Check these. Those ruby red Jordan 1 highs. Size 6 though. $40 though. Size 6 is so small though. So 5 in those. All right, all the SBs are gone, but check this. 100 bucks. I think this is a no-go, but still. Those Kobe Air Force Ones. Kind of cool to see. Size 7 though, so not the best size. Those SBs are definitely gone. Should have grabbed those, but oh well. All right, guys, I think this is all I'm getting. So 2 Rookie of the Years and this pair of 5s. So I'll check the clothing. If I see something, I'll let you know. 80 bucks, reimagines. Otherwise, see you on the shed. Peace.
I got triple row pink ducks on.
Good job. And we are rocking the Jordan 1 Low Black Toe. Got these VNDS. got these VMDS. Love them. Got the full box and everything too. Got the kids with us. What do you think? All right, guys, back in the storage unit, and we got 2 pairs to get rid of. Pair number 1, the white cement forge. Now this ain't the normal box, but I cannot believe these. Now the downside with these is they were stamped B grade, but still, so put them on GOAT, you can list them as a B grade. And this pair is just so fire, man, that it sold quick, fast. I thought it was gonna take a while, man. And so with this, I'm getting about $160 credit. Whereas if they weren't B grades, I'd be getting way more. Okay, now what's the other pair? Oh yeah, this one. Other pair we're getting rid of. The silver Jordan 1 lows. Now this pair I got at the Unite store. When they were doing those Nike coupons, I paid like $9 for these, $10 or $15, somewhere around there. I'll find it and post it. These are nice though. Nice pair. All right, so anyways, when we send them in, we want to make sure they're super clean. Oh look, it's got a silver Jumpman hang tag. Okay. They look beautiful to me. All right, all right, guys, so I'm gonna box these up, box up the 4s. Can't believe we're getting rid of them so fast, but now we also have the black cement 3s, which I got those at a little higher price. Let me show you. All right, so then we've also got the black cement 3s. These are fire, man. So I don't know, I'll go back and forth on getting rid of both of them or maybe keeping one, but I've got one that I rock, so I don't think I need a second pair. But then I think, man, if I did want a backup, I'm not gonna find it cheaper than that. So the mental battles of messing around with sneakers. Back in the sneaker shed, ladies and gentlemen, and what a day today. So first off, the best find right here, these Jordan 5s. These are running like $220-ish. So this was a great find. 99 bucks at the old clearance store. The clearance store has been jamming, man. So these, hopefully getting rid of them soon. I think I've already gotten rid of, well, I'll get to that in a minute. Let's check these. All right, so then I grabbed, and I wasn't thinking the best. So rookie of the years, 10.5. We got 2 pairs. 2 pairs of the rookie of the years. Which these, both of these at 70 bucks. So baby girl's getting a little antsy, and sometimes it's hard to check prices while I'm in there. Now, this one pair I was gonna wear, I barely tried on. So a lot of lows, yeah, a lot of lows, a 10.5 fits me better. And I didn't think I was gonna get one of these, but magically we did. So I think I may trade both the 11s as long as the 10.5 fits. And then I've got at least one to wear and then one potentially to be a backup, because I love this shoe. So I'm gonna do that like a different day. I don't have a ton of time right now, but looking back, man, I should have got, it's a similar box, the Palominos. They had a 10 and a 10.5, and those were a way better value. I got excited seeing a 10.5 in these because I was wanting one to wear. And I've tried the 11 on to make sure it fit, and it did. So these may be too tight because it did fit pretty good, but we'll see. I'll do that next time I come in here. So other than that, we'll rock one of those soon. Those Palominos were just a way better find though. I mean, they were 80 bucks, I think. I can't remember. Y'all saw 80, 90, and you know, I could get at least 150 credit out of those. So other than that, we have gotten rid of the Jordan 4s. Those are already out and on their way. These should be going soon. One of these 11s has already gone too. It's waiting for like the sale to approve or something. So the other one I may keep. I do love the black cements. I prefer a 10.5, but I'm not gonna find. So my local shop maybe would size swap me, and then just if the 11 box lid fits the same as the 10.5, which it may not. So we'll see. Other than that, guys, that's it. I have noticed these black toes going up a little bit. Those should be interesting because I have been seeing a few of those also in the clearance store. I mean, the clearance store has been jamming, dude. I cannot believe how much good stuff. Like these 5s today, the 4s, 2 black cements, like, and then the rookie of the years, these were great. The Palominos should have grabbed. I need to look up the lucky greens, but I may keep hitting the clearance store a little bit more right now just because it's jamming. Voodoo's got to figure out what we're doing with these. So hopefully I got a trade coming through where I will probably get rid of at least one of these rookie of the years, the Voodoos, the Soul 3s, potentially these, and a lot of pairs that I have that I don't wear. I have worn them lots, not lots, but some. Anyways, I'll see you in the outlet, guys. Peace.